Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. And if it's winter and cold where you are, and you are so tired of your legs being cold when you're outside, I have the perfect solution for you with these fully lined sweatpants. So I will tell you that these are a size large, and if you wanted them to be super roomy or loose, I would recommend sizing up. They are very snug on me, so they fit very well. Because they are fully lined from the waist all the way down, they are incredibly soft and warm. But there's very little stretch and very little give to these sweatpants, so just keep that in mind when ordering them. I love the fact that they have cuffs at the bottom, so if you're wearing them with boots, or you're going to use them like if you're going to be skiing or outside in the snow, you don't have to worry about any snow sneaking in. You're going to be able to tuck these right into your winter boots or into your ski boots as well. There's 2 front pockets and 1 rear pocket, and there's also a drawstring. So if you felt like the pants, they has a full elastic waist, but if you felt like they were getting a little loose on you, you can tighten it. This is a fully functional drawstring. So if you're looking for super warm, soft, and cuddly sweatpants that are fully lined, you will be so happy to have discovered these. And I love the color. They're such a fun, soft pink. And again, a fully elastic waist, and it has pockets, and the drawstring is fully operational as well. So this has been an excellent pair of very cold weather sweatpants for me. I've worn them outside and they are just so cozy. You will not be cold. I promise you that. And that is my point of view.